Hey guys, Phil from QP Designs. A quick look at the Nio RDA RSA Master Kit, rebuildable squonk atomizer. Let's see what comes with the kit. So this kit is a master kit, comes with all the colors. You also have this stainless steel tank and also the black stainless steel. You also have all the different color options for the drip tips, the tops, and the beauty rings. I'm going to take out one of these. The drip tip is a 510, all removable, so you can mix and match however you like. Take out the black. The black is a Delrin. So if you're using acidic or menthol juice, we suggest you use the Delrin or the Ultim. Take a look at the stainless. Focus in. Let's take a look inside. So it does have adjustable airflow right here on the side. You got one big cutout. Turning it left to right will adjust your airflow. Underneath, you have the Nio signature, serial number. You can see from the top right here, you can look inside. Pull this off. So it is a really compact deck. As you can see, we have airflow that comes in the middle here and on the sides, right there. For your wicking ports are right here on the side. Each side has a wicking port. You can leave a little bit of room in the corner so it gets to breathe a little bit. It's a postless deck. So you have bottom airflow and side airflow to the coils with squonking. So this deck is a bridge flow airflow. So how it's designed is you have your top bridge, which would be up here. Then you'd have inside here would be your middle bridge, and underneath, which you cannot see, would be the lower bridge. So basically when you squonk, if you would go to over squonk and juice would come out here and go into your airflow, you'd have your juice stuck in your airflow and it would never come out. But how this system works is there's release ports underneath in the middle bridge. So the juice is able to go back inside under the lower bridge inside the deck. Another little look around. So I got one here that I'll show you. It's already set up. Turn that around. So you can see the airflow. So I'm going to squonk this one. See the juice filling up in the deck and in the airflow. Letting it go, the juice goes back down through into the middle, down into the lower bridge of the deck. So if you do over squonk, you will get juice that will go inside the airflow, but it'll still be vapable, and you'll be able to vape it out until there's no more juice in there. And the juice will still be able to go into the release ports, going down into the bottom, making its way to the cotton on the sides. So if we go to over squonk a lot, there's a lot of juice in there now. See the juice going back down inside. Now we got the juice right here on the side where the wicking ports are. Show you this one, the sides, basically the side airflow. You can see that you can't really see anything because it's angled downwards. So we got one big cutout right here. It's angled downwards. You got your screws right here on the side. You got a flathead and also hex. Zoom in. Put this one back together. So for coils, you can fit up to a 3.5 millimeter coil in here. I've been running 2 millimeters and 3 millimeters in mine. Also, you want to make sure when you're building that you do not pass over top of this top. The two side walls here, you don't want to go anywhere over that. So your coil would stay underneath, under the two side walls. If you go too high, then you risk the chance of either having your coils touch the top of your cap and melting it. So make sure your coils stay under there. It's a 22 millimeter diameter. With the beauty ring, it comes to 24 millimeters. It is top airflow, so it's all the way up here at the top, angled down. So basically when the airflow comes in, it comes in through the top here, makes its way down through the side walls, then under having air come directly underneath and to the sides. So making it allow the most amount of air to hit your coils almost all the way around. Take another look at the other one. So we got this one back here again. I put the tank back on top. So we're going to squonk this one again. That's a lot of juice in there. For sure no one's going to be squonking like this. It's not meant to be squonked like that. But it's just showing that the juice is able to go back in underneath the middle bridge through the bottom and go back into the deck, leaving the air channels to be able to be vaped, so juice is not stuck in there and pouring out. If you go to turn it sideways or anything like that, it's not going to come out. But that's just for over squonking. So the airflow is wide open here on the side. You can see it in the black. With the juice going back in. Now the deck is full of juice in there. You can see all the juice down there in the bottom right here in the corners. Same thing down here on this side, full of juice in there. Back into your wicking ports. So bottom and side airflow to the coils, squonker. Well, that was a quick look at the Nio RDA RSA. Thanks guys, stay safe in this crazy time. We'll see you soon.